Today we're bringing some light to our garden with the help of our pack of solar garden lights. They come shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your user manual, 2 stakes, and 2 sets of solar garden lights. The garden lights have 2 settings, constant on and flashing. Then they come complete with a solar panel. So throw out the batteries. We're charging with our good friend the sun. To get started, insert the stakes into the back of the solar lights. Then remove the film from the solar panels and find a sunny location. Slide the switch to the setting that you want and stake them into the ground. Then the sun will do the rest. When the sun sets and it starts getting dark, the solar garden lights will turn on and light your area. Walking up to the garden at night, the solar lights light the entrance and allows us to see with ease. We can see our walkway and it just looks awesome. Since it has multiple little lights on bendy rods, it has motion and there's sway to the lights whenever the wind blows. The gentle motion and movement to the lights around you definitely creates a unique feel and is fun to look at. These solar stakes are IP65 waterproof and will hold up in the rain or snow. They stay lit all through the night and add a fun look to any area. Now we can see our garden and have a fun lit area with a visible footpath. So if you're looking to light up your garden, these solar garden lights might just be for you. Till next time, I'm heading back out to the garden to see how my squash is doing. See ya!